And guys, what's happening? How to download offline maps in Google Maps. So first of all, download Google Maps on your iPhone, right? If you do, make sure to update it to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up my Google Maps, right? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top, right? And then you're gonna see offline maps, press it, and then you can select your own map, right? Select a place where you can basically take an offline map so you won't get lost, right? And then hit download at the bottom, right? And turn on the notification once you download it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.